What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's a beautiful day. I just woke up and I decided I would do what I eat in a day video. So first I'll show you what we use for cooking and then I'll show you how we use it. So there's three things that affect on what we use for cooking. One is the weather, because we have solar panels, they charge our battery. So if there's no sun, we don't get electricity. So that's one. The second one is day or night, which is kind of the same thing, but in the morning I still have all day to catch up with the battery, but at night there's nothing charging our battery. Oh, hi. There's nothing charging our battery at night, so that's the second thing. And then third thing would be if we are stationary or moving around, because we do have the battery connected to the car, so if we drive around it will get charged anyways. So if all the conditions are great and we have so much solar and all the batteries are full, I will use my electric induction stovetop, and it goes up to 12,000 watts and it cooks very fast, but it does burn out a lot of energy. So if it's like dark outside and we're stationary, I would not use it. And then the second one is this butane stovetop, and we use these little butane gas tanks to fill it. And I guess I'll show you both how I use them, but since it's the morning and I need my coffee and it's sunny outside and I have all day to charge the batteries, I'll start with the induction stovetop. So first we have to make some coffee. Okay, this is the stovetop. I plug it right here. And this is it. It works. So you just like turn it on. Coffee is now done and it's time to make some breakfast. So I put this induction stovetop away because I won't be cooking anything right now. I'm craving some fruit and I need some carbs because I'm going to the gym after, so that's just what we're doing now. So this is my breakfast. We have some persimmon, raspberries, blueberries, almond butter, and Greek yogurt. I buy the non-fat one just because it has more protein and no fat actually. So you need to get your protein in. And my coffee. So I'll start eating this now. Okay, I'm done with my breakfast and I'm just gonna finish my coffee slowly and start my day. Okay, I'm just done at the gym and now let's go have some lunch because I'm starving. Okay, I just came back to the van and I decided to move before I eat lunch because I will still in front of Good Life. This is where we slept all night and I want to take Ella for a walk somewhere else, so I'm having a little bit of coffee. It's like, this is from yesterday, so I know it's real good. And I decided to have a cookie for the way. This is an almond toffee cookie. Okay, let's go. we've just arrived to the park and I changed my mind again. I'm not gonna have lunch. I'll just have a quick snack because it's just the two of us and that car right there. So the park is empty. I want to take advantage of that. So we're going for a walk first and then we'll make lunch. But because I am hungry, I'm just gonna make a quick snack, sandwich or something. We'll see. I have to check what I have in the fridge. So this is my snack. We have some eggnog, probably like half a cup. And then burger buns with salmon and arugula. So when you live in a van, you need to maximize your space. So that's why we don't have glasses. And I'm using this blender cup to drink my eggnog from. Like most times, I'll just drink it from the actual bottle. But since I'm filming, I thought might as well get a cup. I didn't use any plates because it's just a sandwich. So here we go. Cheers. Okay, we finished with our snack and now we are going for a walk. Yes, I do one. Okay, see you later. Okay, we're just back from a walk. It took us an hour and 20. And we did 5.5 kilometers. And now we are heading to where we meet Gasper in about an hour and a half. And I'll make some lunch over there. Okay, so it is now almost 4. And I will start making lunch. Gasper just called. He's coming home in half an hour. So he had his lunch at work. I made burgers yesterday, but today I'm making something else. I honestly don't know yet. But I'm calling this lunch because we'll eat again later on for sure. So let's see what comes out of it. So I forgot to mention, since it's 4 already, there's no sun anymore and it's slowly getting dark. You can see even here it's quite darker. So we are using the propane stove, butane stove. I don't know the difference. It's gas. So this is the one I showed you in the morning. It comes in a little case. We take this thing out. So we just have it under the bed and it's very simple to take out and set it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. So this just flips. We take the gas. Put it in here. And it is now ready to use. I do know that this stove is only supposed to be used outside, but we have a window cracked and a fan is on. Will be on shortly. So we're turning the fan on. So now the air circulates. We haven't had a problem and we've been using this for 2 months now, a month. I'm not sure, but anyways, so now we're gonna cook. So once again, we'll have to check the fridge what we have. I never really plan my meals ahead when I go to the store. I just buy stuff that are on sale or like something I really crave, and then whenever I'm hungry, I just check what I have and make stuff out of what I have.
Want to see me eat some chips?
We're just parked at the dentist office. Casper's going in like a couple minutes, and I was gonna make a second coffee for myself, but none of the dishes that we have are clean, and we're running low on water, and we still have to shower. So I decided to grab a takeout coffee because it's like right here, Tim Hortons. So let's go grab that coffee. So I have my coffee and my sweet snack. I wanted something sweet. And it just started snowing a little bit, but oh, I'm spilling shit. I'm back from the coffee shop, so I got the extra large. I always get the extra large, and I sip it for an hour. So extra large, dark roast, black. So no cream, no sugar, nothing. I like my coffee black. And then we had this. So whenever I feel like something sweet, I'll just try their new baked goods. And it's called chocolate hazelnut eclair. I never had this before. I think they're doing it as like a Christmas, Christmassy thing. See. So it has cream inside. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's try it out. So this cream is like whipped cream mixed with Nutella. It tastes like Nutella, but it's more like whipped cream. It's pretty good. And then this is just like chocolate and then white chocolate bits. I like it. It's very filling. So I only had half of the donut, and then I'm gonna leave half of it for later. Or maybe if Gasper's gonna try it. I don't know if he'll be able to eat after he comes from the dentist, because I don't really know what he's doing, but I'll keep a half for later because I've had enough. I really just wanted something sweet and I got it, and that's it. Now I'll just sip on my coffee and start editing some videos. Okay, so it's now 9 p.m. and Gasper's eating the leftover meat from tacos with some with some burger buns.
I am a leftover destroyer.
having some sort of a salad, just veggies with eggs, and then I'm boiling the eggs and I'm making some more for tomorrow. And let's prep some food. This is the finished dinner. I have lettuce, arugula, tomato, beets, a couple eggs, and toast with avocado. So our last snack before going to bed, it's strawberry covered pretzels. And this is it for this video tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Say goodnight.